I'm showing you an amazing method to upload your created file, text, images, PDF files, and books, and earn money. Please click the subscribe and bell button to get all information, and to watch my upcoming useful videos. I have an Information and Communication Technology book PDF file. This is my PDF book copy in my PC. Let's upload it to earn money. Step 1. Open your Google Drive in your browser. Upload your file to your Google Drive from your PC. Step 2. Type Adfly in the Google search, and click it. Now click the Join New button and fill all the boxes carefully, and click the Join button. The Adfly will send a confirmation email to your email. Open your email, open the confirmation mail, and after opening you will find a code and a link. First copy the code, and then click the link and proceed button. Another tab will open where paste the copied code and confirm the registration. Now log into the Adfly again using your new account. Now see, this is the new account. Now get the shareable link of your file from Google Drive and paste it in Adfly and click the shrink button. It will short your link. Now copy this link and share it in your Facebook page which is related with this type of file. You can use WhatsApp, Instagram, your blog, or another way that the people easily reach. I'm sharing this link in my website which is about books. In my next video I will show you to create a website. After sharing this file, the people will click this post to download this PDF file. The Adfly will show here. And after many downloads, the Adfly will pay you the money and credit your account. Let's use another drive to upload a file and get money. I'm using the fileup.org site to upload file and get money. Link is in the description below. Click sign up and create new account. See, this is the new account. Click the Upload Files button to upload your file. After uploading file, copy the download link and share it in your Facebook pages, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and your websites. When the people download your file, the file upload website will credit money to your account. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch my upcoming new useful videos.